Hello, swing trading weekly overview or swing trading weekly income. So we are going to try to use our swing trading workbook to review each one of those reports and the account position. So the account position will show our unrealized loss. So let's get to our swing trading workbook. I think we didn't do the review for week 50, I believe. So we are going to do week 50 and week 51 because it's December 21, 2024 today, and that's week 51. And for week 51, our weekly profit, because you can see a report, profit weekly is 85.63. We sold some stocks that we purchased for dividend income purposes 2023, and we sold them. That's what make that 85.63, and that's the only things we sold. You can see when we bought it, and then some dividend that got reinvested, and that's the only things we sold. Week 50, which is last week, we have a profit of $42.59, and that could be, let's see, tell us what stocks is that. KC, we sold KC, and we bought it for swing trading purposes. So we will go to our daily profit, and our daily profit, we will look at the week. And we can just, because we didn't do week 50, we can do week 50 as well. So there is Monday here, and week 50 from Monday 12/9 to Friday 12/13, we sold only once. That case that we sold for $42 profit happened on Wednesday. And then from Monday December 16 to Friday December 20th, we sold only one time, and that is the stocks we purchased for dividend income purposes that we sold. If we go to monthly, I think we tend to reserve monthly for monthly report, so we might just reserve that one for it. This report is a good one more for tax return purposes though, because it just allows you per stocks to see how much you purchase share wise, how many shares you sold, and cost and profit, and cost, how much you sold it for, and the profit. But since it's when you have stocks that you purchased but you have not sold it yet, then it will show you the cost related. It will show you all the costs, all the revenue, and the profit against the loss. So, but that's that. It's not. I don't really see a usefulness of it like during the year, but because it can repeat. If you purchase a stock multiple times, it's going to pretty much have the accumulation of the cost. Just like when you sell it multiple times, it's going to have the accumulation of the sales as well. So this is a daily purchase. So the daily purchase by stocks, but we are just going to go to December and 9 to now. We purchased twice in week 50, the 10th and the 12th, and then in week 51 we purchased on Monday, and that's it. So sales, excuse me, we will go to December as well, and Monday, okay, hold on, 12, okay, 9. that makes sense. So here we sold on the 11 and in week 50, and we sold on the 19 in week 51. So profit, daily profit. So the daily profit, and here we will go down a little bit, and that is on the 11th and on the 19th. So weekly trade. So for the weekly trade for week 50, we have 1.67% of return by having that profit over the transactions that created, and this one gave us 27.3%, 0.3%, by taking into consideration the stocks that we purchased and sold to make that profit. Week 52, we have this here, is because it could be related to a stocks we purchased before 2024. And I'm not sure which one is it, but anyway. Commitment. So commitment, week 50 and 51, we did purchase things in week 50 and week 51 that we have not sold yet, and we still have things from week 13 that we have not sold yet all the way. So those are still sitting in our portfolio, probably unrealized losses. So we will come to weekly return on investment. We have two ways of calculating it. For week 50, it is 0.036 based on this way of calculating it, using the capital invested to do that. The profit divided by the capital. Week 51 is giving us 0.073%. And the second option, week 50, is giving us negative 83.53%, and week 51 is giving us negative 95%. And I do not like this option, but I still have it here. It's pretty much taking what we purchased that week and what we sold that week, whether they are different stocks, not related, it's in the same thing. Therefore it's just taking what we purchased that week, what we sold that week, to do the calculation of the return there. So some month it might be very high and some month it might be very low, but that is just showing us the different type of report we can pull. For the weekly report that we can pull using our swing trading spreadsheet that we manually make entry to by preference on a daily basis of our swing trade purchases and sales, to be able to pull report from, and by tracking our dividend as well. And while we are not selling, we are still earning some dividend, and that is what dividend we earned so far in December. But now that we are done with our weekly report, we'll move to our account spent. There is one that we didn't touch, is amount spent. So let's get to that, and I don't know what we will find there. I came across it. Amount spent. Okay, so it's tracking how much stocks we purchase per week. Yeah, and week 50 and week 51 is that. But Yeah, and I think that is from that report. That is that. Now we are going to go to our account position. So for our account position, this one will just show you the stocks you purchase that you have in your portfolio, how much is the quantity you purchase, the price, the market value. Based on that price, the market value is taking the quantity times the price, pretty much the last price that is sold at, and then how much we pay for it, and it's going to show us the unrealized gain or unrealized loss return on it. It's going to give us the unrealized gain or unrealized loss, and that's pretty much what we are going to be looking at. I don't quite look at this, but that's what we are going to be looking at. But yeah, and some of them we purchase them for dividend income purposes, and some of them we purchase them for swing trading purposes. So we are just going to go through it to look at the one we purchased for swing trading purposes, and you can just see the unrealized loss we have in it. We do not sell stock at a loss. Usually, if I purchase it and it goes down, it pull back on us. We just, like this one for instance, we purchase it and it pull back on us. We just leave it in the account until it become positive. For that reason, it's important to keep checking your stocks that you are trading, so that you keep eliminating stocks that you do not feel confident trading, so that you have stocks that you can invest in long term on your watch list to swing trade. At least that's the way I do it. That way, if it's negative, I just leave it in the account until it becomes positive. The money will be tied into it. If it pays dividend, that's great, but I'm not going to worry about it. So that we purchase it for swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, dividend income, and that could be a stocks that could bankrupt on us. I don't know. Swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading. Hold on, let's freeze some rows on top here. Swing trading, 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 swing trading. This one is positive in the account, and as you can see, yesterday account, you can see that everything is pretty much negative in there. Swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading. Swing trading, swing trading, swing trading. Interestingly, I can even recognize the stocks that we purchased for swing trading, because I'm trading the same stocks over and over and over. Swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading. The one that are swing trading stocks are the one that the mouse is moving to. swing trading. And as you can see, only one MA is the one that is positive in the account. Everything else is down. And so it's making, let's see here, the market value versus how much we spend to buy them, and that is the unrealized loss. That just means if we were to sell all the stocks at the price they are selling right now, that is the loss we will have accumulated. So they are unrealized loss, and this is unrealized gain, because as long as we didn't sell it, we didn't lock it in. But this is the account position for the week, and for week 50, that one is week 51. Week 50 let's go up, and we can freeze this one. So we are now going to redo the same thing, but we can just scroll down for you to see how the negative things impacted this one. There could be some stocks that we will have sold between week 50 and week 51 as well. Or maybe I'm going too fast, but just from here we can do that. Swing trading, 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 swing trading. You can see week 50 how MA was. It went down in week yesterday. Swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading, swing trading. Swing trading. I believe this one is a swing trading too. Let's double check. If it is, we purchased it a while ago. Yes. So if we go back to our stocks here, PH. Yeah, we bought it somewhere here, and it's going down here. Okay, well, it's showing high. We could have sold it there too, but well, we didn't. Okay, so swing trading, 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 swing trading. And for week 50, this one was positive. You can see how this one that we purchased AT&T for dividend income purposes, you can see the amount there. It went down in week 50. So, and swing trading, and this one was ATF. We sold it in week 51. But yeah, and you can see the value of the account. If we were to sell those stocks at the price it was selling, the cost associated with it, and the loss, the unrealized loss that we will have accumulated compared to week 51. Thank you. That is, our swing trading weekly income for week 50 and week 51. Thank you. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Close of Liberman Consulting, L.L.C YouTube channel, and Nasub.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Thank you.